the peaceful protesters. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ti rí pé àwọn ọlọ́pàá, àwọn Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn, they are all here to make everything peaceful. They are all here to make sure the peaceful protest is not being hijacked. It is being said that they are also part of the struggle. It is live here. Koiki Media is live here once again. Koiki Media is live here. Here are the peaceful protesters. Please, can someone explain more about this? The power of the people. Stronger than the people in the power, yes. Koiki Media bringing the work closer to other steps today, being the 12th of 2021. We are live here in Mokola roundabout, Oyo State, Ibadan. Here are the peaceful protesters. They are all converged here. As you can see, everyone are here to make sure the peaceful protest goes a long way. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá wá wà níbí láti make sure pé wọ́n hijack peaceful protest tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ bí báyìí.
Hello, the policeman, come back here.
I will break that. There's freedom of the press. The people in power.
Once again, Koiki Media is live here. Our peaceful protesters, no one be by. They are not here to make any trouble. Today being the 12th of June 2021, Mokola roundabout Ibadan Lawai. Thanks for sharing the broadcast. All peaceful protesters are converged here.
And we are not coming here for them. So please, you want to be careful of something. You want to be careful that this is not a jack for us, and that's why we are not dealing with emotion. So we are going to be so that this session is for the public. A lot of people are blocking in the corner. They don't want to come out because they are afraid. They are afraid. That's why we do that.
Let's move. Koiki Media. Once again, Koiki Media, bringing the work closer to you. The peaceful protesters are converged here. Peaceful protesters, they are not lazy Nigerian youths.
What I'm saying here, what they are saying and what I'm going to tell you is that I understand that none of us are illiterate here.
Yes, yes.
Illiterate is not that you went to school or not. It's about you having sense.
Exactly.
Rights.
And
your parents teach you rights that you know what is right and what is wrong.
Yes, now.
Now, we are all here today to exercise our own rights, to show our constitutional rights against bad governance, against police brutality, against all sorts of things.
Against insecurity, yes.
We are not coming here to show them that we are bad, like they are already providing us. We are here to show that we are better. That's why we are going to coordinate ourselves, and we are not going to use any emotion. Because when emotions come in, violence will happen. So that's what I'm saying, that whatever we want to do now, let us talk about it now, strategically. Because if another person come in and hijack it, it's not like Lagos Road, you saw they are doing market and all. They will hold most people here.
And they promise that wherever we are going,
So that's why I'm telling us that please, I'm begging all of us. I'm begging all of us that we are all educated people here. And we are staying here. And we are not going to do Let them be our cry, let them be our voice. We want freedom of speech. Freedom of speech.
Once again, Koiki Media bringing the world closer to your doorstep. Today being the 12th of June 2021. Here is Oyo State Ibadan roundabout Mokola. And Fulani terrorists enables apologies. I want my freedom in Oduduwa Republic. This is what is clearly written here. Closer to your doorsteps. The time is 9:21 a.m.
Let's march, let's march, let's march. Let's march.
we are only here to exercise our rights. As a youth of this country, we don't like how everything is going. As a youth of this country, we are tired of insecurity.
Can we move? Please, we are not here to pep talk. Please, we are not here to talk. We are not here to talk. Let us move. Let us move now. This is what we are doing. Let us move. Let us move. This is what we have been doing. There is no result. There is no result.
The president of we
come back. You people should wait. You people should wait. That is not the thing that we protect. We are coming back. I said here the other time, I believe you are all educated. What is this? What is this? I believe you are all educated. Use your text.
Let the press zero. Everyone has to say. Let them decide for themselves. Let the press zero. Let the world hear us. Let America see what we are crying for.
Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn tí ó wà ní báyìí some are protesting for Yorùbá nation and some are protesting for war against bad governance. Koiki Media bring the world closer to
Koiki Media bringing the world closer to your doorsteps. Today being the 12th of June 2021. Our roundabout Mokola, Oyo State, Ibadan. If any peaceful protesting, law bye. As you can see, they are all peaceful protesters. Whoa, they are peaceful protesters. I can't fear Fulani terrorists and Fulani terrorist enablers or apologists. I want my freedom in Oduduwa Republic. This is what the banner is saying. We don't just want to go anyhow. We want to go in a team. We want to go together. Let's wait for the other ones. If they are here to get the banner, go and get the banner. Once again, Koiki Media bringing the work closer to your doorstep. We have the peaceful protesters here. Peaceful protesters are here. Hey, democracy, nice one, bro. Hey, a peaceful protest. Koiki Media bringing the work closer to your doorstep. Today being the 12th of June 2021. Happening live in Oyo State, Mokola, Ibadan. Our peaceful protesters, Low and B.
That's a peaceful protest. They should allow us to do this.
They are making a peaceful protest here.
Another challenge.
Once again, Koiki Media bringing the work closer to your steps. Today being the 12th of June 2021, we are live here in Oyo State's Mokola roundabout Ibadan.
Democracy.